by the chimney tonight. Children keep their eyes on the skies to see reindeer in flight. A blanket of snow scatters light from a bright shining star, and sounds of the carolers' song can be heard from afar. The family and friends only seen annually will be there. Open fires ablaze as the haze warms the cold winter air. The man made of snow, unaware of the joy